I'm taking you round a room tour of Obstructed balcony cabin E303 on the amazing Enchanted Princess. So through to the bathroom, through the dressing area, we do like this wardrobe configuration because it's easy, just easier than doors. Into the bathroom, you've got some shelving there. We like the worktop, it's nice and bright. The only thing we don't like is the shower curtain. However, they are good quality and we didn't find that they stuck to us, so that wasn't too bad. So moving on into the cabin area, this is set up as a king. In the light switches you have USB. Moving over into this corner unit below is a fridge, and over on the dressing table there is a hairdryer in the drawer. Got plenty of plug sockets there. Now over to the balcony. Now on this sailing we were doing a sail out of New York, so what an amazing view from this balcony. So we did look at a lot of obstructive view cabins and we felt this one was one of the best because it's a smaller lifeboat, so you do get a better view. We hope you enjoyed our room tour. We have got tours of other cabins on Enchanted Princess, so please subscribe, it is free to do so. And thank you for your support.